everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now you can see that I'm outside my house and it's snowing. Right now you can see that there's snow falling from that side. It's coming this way. That's why I can't look that way, because the snowflakes, they keep going straight in my eyes. But you can see it's falling from that way, and it's really windy outside right now. You can see that it's been snowing for like the whole day today. And last night we had sleet. Sleet is basically ice that's falling, and when it makes contact with the ground, it sounds like glass breaking apart. So you can see, since it's been snowing for so long, the snow has actually accumulated in a lot of places. You can see it's so deep, like especially here. You can see some places I've been walking around a bit, but like you can see around over there, there's so much snow. So as you can see, I came upstairs now because it was really cold, but I'm outside again in the patio and I'm cleaning. But as you can see, it's still snowing, and it's forecasted to snow the whole day today and tomorrow. So basically the storm hit us like around last night, and it's been snowing. Well, first it started out as rain, then it moved to sleet, and then to snow this morning, and it's going to be snowing the whole day for today and tomorrow. And as you know, it's not safe to be driving during this time because a lot of highways are being shut down, and like there are a lot of accidents during this time because of the snow, since like cars slip on the road due to the snow. So it's safe, like to stay safe, you should always stay inside during these type of storms, to stay safe and to take proper precaution. And if you even need any help, the government has given a number that you can contact to get help. So if you need any help, I would advise that you use that number. And now I'm going to get back to sweeping the patio, which I'll probably have to do in a couple more hours since it's going to be snowing a long time. So it's evening now. Well, basically, practically it's night outside. So you can see it's still snowing, and like the snow accumulation, like you can see the snow is accumulating. A lot of snow is accumulated in the past couple hours. So I came back outside to show you guys that it's still snowing. Like I told you earlier, it's going to be snowing for the rest of the day and for tomorrow. As you can see, pretty sure you can hear the wind too. It's still really windy outside and it's still snowing, except the snowflakes have decreased in size. They're a bit smaller than they were earlier, like when I was doing my video. So it's not that big, so I can kind of face the snow. It's still falling from that direction, but you can face it since the snowflakes aren't that big. They're starting to get smaller. And the snow still hasn't accumulated on the cars, but you can see it's getting so deep. Like the step, for example, you can see like at the very bottom, instead of like plain sidewalk, there's like this there's this layer of ice that you can feel when you're stepping all the way down. And it feels like it just got really cold in just 2 seconds, but it's so cold outside, and so right now it's like negative 18 degrees right now, and it's so cold. It's colder than the last time I came out. So as you can see, that's why I have both my hands in my pocket, because it's so cold. And if you're exposed to too much cold, then you can get frostbite, which is really bad because it numbs part of your body, which is which is exposed to the cold. So as you can see, the snow is getting really deep, and the wind is picked up really bad. you can see over here. See, so this is technically where the footpath ends, but once you go down, this part is really, really deep. But it's like I can't really feel the bottom because there's like this huge layer of ice right here. So, and see, I just dig it out. So like, this is like the layers that you dig out, and then there's still this much left, and that's just all ice. See, it's all ice. So, try to get back on the sidewalk, and now you can see there's so much snow. Just look everywhere. You can't even say the difference between a sidewalk and a parking lot right now. I mean, that's how much snow there is. Thanks for watching my video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!